All right, today we're going to take a quick look at this Fit Plus scale. This is a smart body fat scale brought to you by GE. The company sent it over for me to make this video, so I'll share my first thoughts. Pulling it right out of the package, the design of it, the build quality of it is great. It's got this nice glass top on here. It's got these little feet indicators. You just put your feet right there, not to the side, not off to the top, and it will accurately, with precision, measure your weight. And the cool thing is you can connect it via Bluetooth right to your phone with a free app that they provide, and you can track your weight loss or weight gain or what have you and your body fat over a period of time. So let's take a look at the device first, and then I'll show you a little bit about the app. So first things first, with the device, you do need to charge it with the USB cable they've provided. So it's USB-C, and it charges right here. Once you charge that, you can push this little reset button here, and that will get it activated and turned on. And then you literally just get on it, step on it, and push down with your feet, and that is it for the first time. And you want to put it on a hard surface. You don't want to put it on carpet or anything like that. And there's your customer service number right here if you have any questions. Also, it comes with a really in-depth user manual of how to connect the app and all those other things. So I went ahead and connected it. Really simple. I just created an account and was able to set it up really quickly. And then it just verified my email, all that kind of stuff. So I just used my email account, no big deal. And then I stepped on the scale, and here we go, 174.2 pounds. It's the end of the day, okay? I'm a little heavy. And then it's 25.8 BMI. And then once again, it says I'm overweight. So it will tell you underweight, normal, based on your height and age and things that you've put into here. So you basically just fill it out like a profile and do all that kind of stuff. Now, I don't have a lot of stuff in here, but you can do your like body size and all this stuff if you want to. Trend. So what does it look like week over week, month over month, year over year? Weight, body fat, BMI, muscle mass, BMR. I mean, you can see all these different trackers here, and then all day, AM, PM. You can kind of break that down, analytically to however you want to. Also, you can connect your Apple Health, your Fitbit. You go into settings, you get some friends. You can add friends to this if you want to, which is pretty cool. So if you want some accountability or maybe whatnot, you can do that as well. So far this thing is pretty cool. Just standing on it. I got a little picture here of me standing on the scale. So it's got a really nice big display, and then also displays your body fat right there. Now the cool thing is when you have your phone on and connected, there'll be a little Bluetooth signal here that will tell you, hey, we're sending the data over, all that kind of stuff. So really cool. So every time I stepped on it, it would send data right to my phone and track my phone. And then there's like a record of data within the app that I can, go through and see what that looks like. So that was kind of cool to see that. It says you have unknown user measurements. So maybe I stepped on it and didn't measure some data properly, but every single time, I don't know if you can see that or not, with the time date stamp, it tells me when I stepped on it and when I tried it. Then I can assign these, I can select it and assign it to whatever user I want to that way as well. So really cool app if you're into tracking your body fat and your weight and all that stuff. This might be the scale for you. I know my wife and I are on a health journey, and so this is really cool to have this and have it trackable within our app so we can keep up with it, week over week, month over month, year over year. So if you're looking for that same kind of technology, this might be the one for you.